Welcome to this guide on how to change the color of your WhatsApp chats. If you want to personalize your chats with different colors or themes, follow these simple steps. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account. When the WhatsApp application opens on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see 3 dots that you will click on. A small window will open where you will scroll down to the Settings option and then click on it. By clicking on the Settings option, a new page will open with a drop-down menu where you will look for the Chats option and then click on it. The application will then open the next page with a drop-down menu where you will also scroll down to the option Default Chat Tem and click on it. And now to the main part of this video. As you can see, a new page will open where you will scroll down to the chat color option and then click on it. Here you have several colors offered. It's up to you to choose which color you want to be in your chat. Just click on it. And then the application will show you how your chat looks with the new color. If you like it, in the upper right corner of the screen, you will click on Confirmation. And that's it. You have successfully changed the color of the chat on WhatsApp. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and follow us for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.